What's going on, everybody? My name is LB the Realist with Surrealistic Studios, Surreal News, where the real is surreal. Thanks for joining me on this segment. Hit that like button, hit that share, comment, subscribe, that notification bell over there somewhere in that region. Hi. Hi. You want to say hi again? That's a no. She walked away. Well, fine. Never mind. All right, so folks, we got Tesla's valuation tops $1 trillion after Hertz planned to buy 100,000 Tesla EVs. Isla, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get off your tippy toes. What are you doing over there, huh? Hey, hey, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I gotta get it real quick. Hold on. Come here. What are you doing over there, huh? 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 Ah. All right. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Hi, Internet. Hi, social media. All right. So, Tesla's valuation. Where were we? This article is coming out of marketwatch.com. You want to get down? All right. This article is coming out of marketwatch.com. We'll go ahead and read this here. Okay. We're going to put you down. We're going to put you down, touchy-feely. I was trying to get my keyboard. All right. Tesla's valuation shot past $1 trillion on Monday, with the stock closing at a record high after Hertz Global Holdings Incorporated announced plans to order 100,000 Tesla vehicles, and a Morgan Stanley analyst raised his forecast for sales and production. Tesla stock rallied more than 12% to end at $1,024.86, boosting the electric car maker valuation to $1.01 trillion. Now, this article was, when was this article? Does it have the date on here? Okay, this was actually on the 25th. So this was a few days ago. So just keep that in mind. The price has gone up since then. Chief Executive Elon Musk tweeted, "Wild times right at the close, with fans cheering the milestone." At past $1 trillion, Tesla joins a select group of megatech stocks that include Apple, with a market cap of $2.5 trillion, followed by Microsoft at $2.3 trillion, Google parent Alphabet at $1.8 trillion, and Amazon at $1.7 trillion. Tesla edged out Facebook to become the fifth largest U.S. company by market cap. Facebook has crossed that $1 trillion mark, but its current valuation is around $930 billion, so it's pretty close still. Tesla got to $1 trillion from $900 billion in a record-setting 2 trading days. Wow. Hertz said the initial order of a total of 100,000 Teslas will be made by the end of 2022. The car rental company also said it would also invest in new EV charging infrastructure across its global operations in a bid to offer the largest EV rental fleet in North America. The order was initially reported earlier Monday by Bloomberg. So they're really ramping up this electric vehicle stuff. I know in California, they plan to phase out all gas-powered vehicles by like 2030 something. I think if you have one, you'll be grandfathered in. But yeah, they're getting ready. It's going to be all electric. So it says Hertz emerged from bankruptcy this year, saying it was a much stronger company, ready to capitalize on the summer's travel rebound and skyrocketing car rental prices amid a scarcity of rentals. Hertz last week announced plans to offer shares and return to a big league stock exchange. The company listed a profit for the first 6 months of the year, but also more than $8 billion in debt. While Hertz is in the early stages of electrifying its rental car fleet, Tesla getting an order of this magnitude highlights the broader EV adoption underway, in our opinion, as part of this oncoming green tidal wave now hitting the U.S., analyst Dan Ives wrote in a note to clients. The Hertz deal is a major feather in the cap for Tesla and speaks to where demand is heading in the EV transformation hitting the auto sector globally, he said. Ives rates Tesla at outperform with a $1,100 stock price. Ives rates Tesla at outperform with a $1,100 stock price target. Adam Jonas with Morgan Stanley raised his price target on Tesla shares to $1,200 from $900 in a note Monday. He reiterated the equivalent of a buy rating on the stock. The change in price target is driven predominantly by higher volume, Jonas said. Morgan Stanley's previous forecast of 5.8 million vehicles by 2030 implied an annual growth rate of 23%, which trailed overall EV market growth, he said. The analysts revised volumes forecast for of 8.1 million vehicles by 2030. Hold on, let me read that again. The analysts revised volume forecast of 8.1 million vehicles by 2030 units implies an annual growth rate of 28%, which is slightly more than half of the 50% growth rate Tesla has targeted. Reasons not to go with that 50% growth rate include continued supply chain restraints, infrastructure constraints, and a host of competitive and geopolitical forces that will guide the development of national electric transport utilities over time, Jonas said. Tesla again has raised prices of some trims for each of its vehicles in the US, including a $2,000 price increase for a standard range Model 3. The repeated price increases reflects robust consumer demand for Tesla vehicles, also demonstrated by the growing wait time for delivery on many variants, Emmanuel Rossner at Deutsche Bank said on Monday, in a note Monday. Tesla reported quarterly profit in sales last Wednesday, despite warning investors that chip shortages, port congestion, and other supply chain and infrastructure challenges are preventing its factories from running at full speed. Meanwhile, Hertz said it was teaming up with NFL quarterback Tom Brady to headline its EV campaign. Electric vehicles are now mainstream, and we've only just begun to see the rising global demand and interest, said Hertz interim chief executive Mark Fields in a statement. The new Hertz is going to lead the way as a mobility company, starting with the largest EV rental fleet in North America and a commitment to grow our EV fleet and provide the best rental and recharging experience for leisure and business customers around the world. Hertz said its customers will be able to rent a Tesla Model 3 at certain locations beginning in early November and will be expanding through year's end. The company is also installing chargers throughout its networks, giving customers who rent EVs access to 3,000 supercharging stations through the US and Europe. Tesla stock has soared 47.4% year to date, while the S&P 500 index, SPX, has gained 21%. So again, this article is coming out of Market Watch. I'll leave it down below if you guys want to read it for yourselves. So Tesla has been a monster as far as a company. I know a lot of you don't care about Tesla, you don't care about Elon Musk, but there's a lot of you people that still care about finances and stocks and, you know, the markets and this kind of stuff. EVs, electric vehicles, is something that I'm very interested in because gas prices are soaring. They're just soaring. And honestly, we need to get off of fossil fuels. We need to get off of these fossil fuels that's contributing to, you know, just the destruction of the planet. You know, we're drilling for this oil and it's just killing off everything. You know what I'm saying? So the smart thing to do would be to get on renewable energy. You know, it would be to get on electric vehicles, solar power, wind power. These are the things. These are the things of the future. You know what I'm saying? So I know my grandmother, before she died, God rest her soul, she was actually, we had joked that she was going to buy a Tesla. She was like, I'm going to get a Tesla watch. She wanted to get a Tesla, you know what I'm saying? So we had that kind of joke between ourselves that, hey, you know, when you getting that Tesla, So, you know, it's funny. I think, in my opinion, Tesla is probably going to be like, look, 30 to 40% of cars on the road are going to be Teslas in like 10 to 20 years. There's just going to be Tesla, Ford, and I don't know, Lucid or something, you know, some kind of luxury car company. You know, it's getting like that. But we all know this is what happens with all companies. So hopefully you guys, if you guys are into this kind of thing, hopefully you guys held on to your Tesla stock. I had Tesla and sold out and then bought back in and then sold out. So I don't have it anymore. But if you held on to your Tesla, good on you for diamond handing that bad boy right there. It's doing tremendous things right now. And Tesla, SpaceX, honestly, Elon Musk, he's got his hands on so many different things right now. Is his commitment and his infatuation with Dogecoin is another thing that can be a catalyst to these kind of price increases and valuations. It's incredible, folks. This kind of stuff is incredible and it's interesting to me. I'm very into finances, investing, money, stocks, cryptocurrencies, this kind of thing. So if you do enjoy this kind of content, do so. Leave me your thoughts down below. Give me a like or give me a dislike. Hit that notification bell over there. And love, peace, and light, folks. Until next time, remember, be kind, rewind. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, all right? Diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands.